How to add music to Facebook profile. So first, go to your Facebook account and then you can just tap on your profile here at the top right. Next is just tap on the settings. Then scroll down and look for profile details. Tap on this one. Now scroll down and look for add music. Tap on it. Now tap on the plus icon here at the top right. Okay, now just tap on any music that you like and then just tap on it, and then you can just go back, and then as you can see, oh wait, tap on the music. Okay, now as you can see, now I don't really, okay, now it's here. So once you see it here, you can just tap on it again and then tap on the three dots and then tap on pin to profile. Okay, now just to check if it's on our profile, let's go back. Let's go to our profile, and there you go. Now you can see the music here. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.